JOBiin Review. What is JOBiin? JOBiin is a breakthrough software that creates an automated job search site, gets tons of free traffic, and makes affiliate commissions with multiple streams. JOBiin is an app that allows you to create a job affiliate site by simply entering a few details. You can create a job board with job postings from 30 countries and provide multilingual support, as 15 languages are supported. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Create your 100% automated and profitable job sites in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Add your details. Step 2. Enter affiliate IDs. Step 3. Publish and profit. Creating a job search website is a unique and hot money-making opportunity in 2022 without any big upfront investment of time and money, and it's rapidly growing by leaps and bounds every year, and even during the post-pandemic era. Earn from 3 affiliate income stream. Sounds too good to be true, right? JOBiin help you earn big from 3 separate sources. 1. Whenever any user clicks on the job listing, your commissions get counted and you get paid from affiliated job listing sites. 2. Place banner ads with your affiliate links. Once clicked, your affiliate commissions are counted in. 3. Show them other related text ads like professional services of resume writing, interview preparation, etc., and make additional income for yourself. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. JOBiin is designed to meet every marketer's need. Anyone who wants a nice passive income while focusing on bigger projects. Lazy people who want easy profits. Anyone who wants to value their business and money and is not ready to sacrifice them. People without products who want to kickstart online. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.